Hey guys, this is David Montelongo from Sunrise Restoration. Today's February 4th, it's Monday, and our clients are moving in today. This is a condominium project that we've done. Been here for a couple months, getting everything redone. This building was actually damaged in a tornado. The roof was torn off, and so lots of water damage on the inside. So we've redone all the drywall, new floors, new lighting, remodeled the cabinet or remodeled the kitchen. Used existing cabinets, but updated the kitchen, put in new granite countertops, new subway tile backsplashes, open shelving, some new appliances. There'll be a pantry front here. We just have a few minor things to do. But like we said, clients are moving in today from St. Louis. So we had our move-in maid service cleaning in here yesterday, Sunday. Working all day to get things spiffy and ready to go for the move-in. Come on, take a look at the bathroom back this way. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. Take a look in this bathroom when you get a chance. My client said yesterday that when he takes a shower in this shower, he's going to feel like he's taking a shower in the clouds because of the color of the glass and whatnot. It's a 2,200 square foot condominium, pretty good sized condo. Take you through to the master as well. This is a master suite. There's a sitting area, there's the sleeping area, and then the master bath here. These showers are actually existing, you can probably tell by the style of the tile, but we did put in the glass doors. Put in the light fixtures, the floor, lights, built out their closet here. You can take a look at this nice big patio. Put in all the patio tile, and the condo just has a great view. It's foggy this morning, but when it's nice and clear, you can see the airport, see downtown, just a great view. So anyways, wanted to walk you guys through this. It was a great project, great clients. We actually work with these clients from a distance. They're from St. Louis. They do have their family here, members here in town, so it was a combined effort to make selections and to really get everything done and to bring this condo together and get it ready for completion. But here we are, it's the end, it's move-in day, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Thanks for watching, have a great day.